While erosion is typically slow, it can happen quickly in areas that are prone to heavy rain, which can cause severe damage to the land and any structures like homes and commercial buildings. However, repair and control are always possible using a variety of different techniques that the experts at the drainage team in St. Louis, Missouri, with over 27 years of experience can facilitate. Fast detection of erosion issues can expedite a proactive approach in preventing damage to the property and surrounding areas. A few of the signs to be aware of include the following. Exposed tree roots, especially close to rivers or ponds, can be a sign that the ground is moving. If your property has steep slopes or a treacherous hillside that shows signs of settling, as well as crevices channeled out. Settling in your yard, landscaping, or paved surfaces can be an early sign of a sinkhole formation, and if one visually appears anywhere on your property, this calls for immediate action. After a storm, the bank along the river, creek, or pond should not look any different. Erosion prevention options include drainage systems, protecting steep slopes with erosion netting and vegetation, adding retention walls, temporary fencing during construction, or creek bank stabilization. We always recommend professionally piped downspout water drainage systems, and drain grates or French drains. And after water diversion is achieved, the next key to slope erosion prevention starts with netting and then vegetation, specifically because the root structure of the plant can help weave stability into the hillside. Retaining walls can not only be an attractive addition to a property, but they're one of the most common ways to help prevent erosion on a significant slope. During construction, temporary options called silt fences can be used while the land is being disturbed. Creek banks can collapse if there's a significant amount of water flowing through them, and rip-rap rocks to line the creek bank edges are one of the most common solutions to avoid it. Erosion is a major issue that can cause serious consequences when left unchecked. Over nearly 3 decades, we've amassed designated erosion consultants, production managers, quality control measures, crews, and specialized equipment to ensure your erosion project is executed at the highest levels. So if you're experiencing any level of erosion or are concerned about possible sinkholes on your property, contact the drainage team of St. Louis, Missouri so we can assess and take swift action today.